Welcome to MotoVerge, the channel where passion meets precision, and where every twist of the throttle tells a story. If you love motorcycles, innovation, and the thrill of speed, you've just entered the right place. But remember, if you miss this video, you might miss some of the most valuable information about a machine that redefines desire itself. Stay until the end, because what I reveal about the Ducati XDiavel V4 2026 will leave you speechless. Now, close your eyes for a moment and imagine, night has fallen, the road is silent, and suddenly, a deep, thunderous growl cuts through the air. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a beast wearing Italian skin, built for those who dare to dream bigger. That beast is the all-new Ducati XDiavel V4, arriving in 2026 to change everything you thought you knew about performance cruisers. At first glance, it seduces you with pure aggression. Sleek lines, bold stance, and a muscular body that screams dominance. But this isn't just about looks. No, Ducati has infused this machine with a heart unlike any other. Beneath its sculpted tank lies the Desmodromic V4 engine, an engineering masterpiece crafted to deliver brutal power and elegance in the same breath. The numbers, jaw-dropping, but I'll get to that soon, because Ducati has hidden more than just power inside this motorcycle. Think about this, most cruisers give you comfort but sacrifice thrill. Sport bikes, on the other hand, give you adrenaline but rob you of long ride relaxation. What if one machine could give you both? That's exactly what Ducati has created. The XDiavel V4 isn't a compromise, it's a revolution. And if you look away now, you'll lose the very secret that makes this bike so extraordinary. The ergonomics have been redesigned to perfection. Low slung, stretched, yet surprisingly relaxed. You don't sit on it, you command it. Ducati calls it a Techno cruiser, and once you grip those bars, you understand why. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience meant to captivate every sense. And then comes the sound. Oh, that sound. The symphony of the V4 is not just noise, it's a heartbeat, a living roar that connects rider to machine. Every rev feels like thunder rolling across mountains, every gear shift feels like a lightning strike. It's emotional, primal, unforgettable. But wait, there's more, because Ducati knows power means nothing without control. The XDiavel V4 2026 is laced with cutting-edge electronics. From cornering abs to traction control, from advanced ride modes to a stunning new TFT display, it's like riding with an invisible guardian angel. Ducati has ensured you can unleash its fury while staying firmly in command. And let's talk about speed. This cruiser doesn't just move, it launches. The top speed pushes beyond what most riders ever dare to reach, while acceleration pins you back with ferocity. Yet even with this raw power, Ducati engineers refined its handling, making it agile in the city, stable on highways, and thrilling in every curve. It's not just a cruiser, it's a fighter jet on two wheels. Now, here's the part Ducati fans have been dying to know, the design philosophy. Every inch of the XDiavel V4 has been sculpted with intent. Aggressive LED lighting, sharper angles, lightweight components, and yes, even the tiniest details whisper perfection. It's not a motorcycle you own, it's a piece of art you live with. And if you miss this video, you'll never know how Ducati blended art and engineering into a single soul. For those who ask about comfort, Ducati has integrated adjustable ergonomics, better suspension tuning, and advanced seating that makes long rides an indulgence rather than a chore. It's like sitting on power wrapped in luxury. The XDiavel V4 gives you performance for the racetrack and comfort for the open road. And then comes the emotional part, because riding this motorcycle is not just about specs, or design, or numbers. It's about feeling alive. It's about the way your pulse races when you twist the throttle. It's about the silence you leave behind when the engine roars ahead. The Ducati XDiavel V4 is not just built for riders, it's built for dreamers, for those who chase freedom and refuse to settle for ordinary. So ask yourself, are you ready to ride not just a motorcycle, but a legend in the making? Are you ready to feel what it means to merge beauty, brutality, and brilliance into one? Because the Ducati XDiavel V4 2026 is here, and it's waiting. This is MotoVerge, bringing you the machines that matter and the stories that inspire. If you miss this video, you miss the valuable secrets of Ducati's masterpiece. Stay tuned, because the future of riding has already arrived, and its name is Ducati XDiavel V4.